One thing that we've noticed about users is their preference about customizing everything that is possible. Doctor names are very easy to see when you are on the day view for multiple columns. Let me select previews. Oh, I have just one doctor selected. That's why it's showing only one. So I'm going to go for today, and I'm going to select multiple doctors. As soon as I click more doctors show in my list. So here in the multiple, as you can see, the colors is very helpful. Now Eduardo, my name is here within the white, and I think that is not so cool. I like green. I like green color. So to change the color for the professional, you just right click, and from the top, the menu that pops up, you select the professional color. I'm going to say that my background, I'm going to bring from the basic, and I would like to have a light green. Okay, and save. So now my name is in the light green. So today you've learned how to customize the color for professionals in the calendar for WISE option. Thanks for watching.